Hey everyone! Ready to make your own laundry detergent? Let's dive in. To start our preparation, be sure to prepare the raw materials according to the fixed ratio. Step 1. Let's get our raw materials ready. You'll need 1.5 grams of HPMC, 400 grams of water, measure them out precisely for the best results. Step 2. Mixing HPMC and water. Next, pour 1.5 grams of HPMC into the 400 grams of water. Give it a good mix until it's well blended. Stir, stir, stir. Step 3. Adding other ingredients. Now, let's gradually add other laundry detergent ingredients. This includes sodium sulfate, fragrances, and more. Mix everything well again. Note that the ingredients and proportion of laundry detergent vary according to different types. If you want to know more details about adding ingredients and adding proportion, welcome to contact us. Step 4. Testing on a dirty rag. Time for a test. We'll put our blended laundry detergent on a dirty rag. Watch how quickly it cleans, and the rag was cleaned in a while. Step 5. Bottle and use at home. Finally, pour the liquid into a small bottle and take it home to wash your clothes. Your homemade detergent is ready to work its magic. And that's it. You've just made your own laundry detergent. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to contact us.